Is managing documents a herculean task for your organization? Searching for information, maintaining the compliance, and organizing documents can be overwhelming, but not anymore. Presenting DocuExpert.com, your ultimate document management solution. With the help of DocuExpert.com, you can easily store, and digitize all the documents. DocuExpert offers AI-based document management system, enabling you to extract, analyze, digital intelligent information from any scanned or digital document quite easily. System enhances accuracy and speed in document handling across various departments. Here are key features to get started with DocuExpert.com. You can have a user management system to allow you to define users based on access and security levels. You can upload and access bulk document quite effortlessly. You can create a modern template from already scanned or processed document for consistent document handling. You can train new documents as a modern document with parameter extraction and constraints, including various values. You can automatically extract information from any scanned document. You can search information within the document using custom criteria as well as various parameters. AI powered analysis can identify key information with the help of auto tagging for information like application ID, name, date of birth. You can read and extract information from handwritten documents as well. So you can verify document authenticity with the help of tools for detecting holograms, logos, or even QR codes. DocuExpert can be easily deployed across multiple departments. It can definitely improve efficiency, it can reduce the cost associated with handling documents, and definitely it will enhance security in document handling as well. You can get central dashboard and repository to manage information from all the documents with ease. Visit DocuExpert.com today to revolutionize your document management process. DocuExpert.com, simplifying document management with the help of AI. Welcome to demonstration of DocuExpert. Where using DocuExpert, you can extract, compare, analyze information, or even search information from any document. So as soon as you log in, many options shown on the screen. There are options available for upload document, single document, bulk upload document, custom document, or search of existing documents based on various tags. Analysis tab available. You can see the total number of documents uploaded and what kind of documents are present in the system. Log can also be defined. In case of user creation, there is facility available to define various roles like scanner, document manager, or observer. You can log into the system to extract information from the documents as per the requirement. So let us get started with the actual demonstration. So when you are selecting upload document, predefined options available like SSC marksheet, Aadhaar card, driving license, caste certificate, caste validity certificate, handwritten document, MSCET, custom documentation can also be selected. As soon as you select it, you need to upload the document and click on get result. As soon as you click on get result, the details associated with that document will be shown. When I am going to click on get result, information has been extracted from this document. This is related to some mark sheet, and system has extracted various information like obtained marks, center number, surname, mother's name, candidate name, and all the information has been successfully extracted by the system. Facility available to bulk upload document. If you want to extract information from the multiple documents, you can use this facility. Facility available to define custom document. You can define custom document. Like as shown, I am clicking on new document. The document type I am selecting tabular structure, and I am selecting the name of the document as custom doc 1, and I'm clicking on add document option. So as soon as I'm going to click, I need to enter the URL or upload the document as per the requirement. When I am going to click on get result button, the custom information which is extracted by the DocuExpert, it will be shown to you in the form of document image as well as raw text, and we can define custom tags where system will automatically identify custom tags from this document which you can use for the search. So as soon as I click on it, system has identified various custom tags like registration number, roll number, mother name, guardian name, school name, marks obtained, and I can click on save tags. As soon as I'm going to click on this, all the tags associated with this document will get saved in the system, and this document can be searchable, where when I'm going to click on the searchable option, and if I select particular custom document tab, then there are various options available. I can select particular date. In case of custom document, if suppose I am selecting, I want to have candidates who got specific number of percentage less than or equal to say 80%. As soon as I am going to click on it, if there are records available, the system will show me the records. Based on the search criteria, the system has shown the particular record. I can click on it to view the document. Searchable is definitely useful if you want to search information within specific document based on specific tags or any other aspect. Analysis tab is useful if you want to see the total various types of documents which are uploaded in the system. So this way you can use DocuExpert to extract, compare, analyze information related to any document. Ease. Visit DocuExpert.com today to revolutionize your document management process. DocuExpert.com, simplifying document management with the help of AI.